Hello guys, I'm Kuran here from Key TV. Today I'm going to show you how to open this phone. Teardown of Samsung Galaxy Grand Prime. This is my old phone. It's released in 2014. So today I'm going to show you the teardown of Galaxy Grand Prime. The phone is not working. I've already taken out the battery. So now we're going to open up this. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Totally 9 screws are holding the back, so we have to open it. So we can use a normal screwdriver, the small screwdriver, or spec screwdrivers for open up the screws. The screws are tiny, so don't lose the screws. So open up the 9 screws, guys. So I have taken out all the screws. So we have to remove the screen first. So first we have to use a hairdryer or hot air gun to remove the sticky glues all side of the screen. So we use the hairdryer to make hot and to release the sticky pages. We have to cut the sides only. After the phone hots and we have maybe the gums will loose a little bit, so we have to use some rubber pulls to pull out the screen. Well, we have to do carefully in this process. The screen come out. You can see here. You can see here. There's a screen connector hanging there. Okay. We have to remove the screen connector from there. We have to open this part. Here's the screen connector. Okay, we have to take out the screen. You can see that the screen come out. We have to take the border out. The borders are coming out. So here's the motherboard. You can see it. We can remove the selfie camera. This is a selfie camera. The sensor and the speaker. The blade breaks out. So first we remove the motherboard first. So this is the motherboard. The speaker comes out, and the sensors and the main speaker. So you can see here I have teared down this. This is the vibrator motor. You can take the rear camera too. So the motherboard is separated. The camera, the speaker, the sensor, the border, and the screen. So that's all, guys, for the teardown. So we have to fix it back. So do it reversely. Fix the camera first. and the sensor, the speaker, the camera, then fix the screen. You can see that I've fixed it. Put back into the cover, the border. Well, fix this back. So we have done the teardown and I've replaced it. So that's all guys, fix the screws back, and that's all for the video now. Like my video, comment it, share it, and subscribe my channel and turn on the bell notification for my future videos. Thank you guys.